Hello students, good morning all of you.
So children, today we are going to start our second topic in EVS, that is chapter 8, means of communication. So children, I have already explained you half in my previous class, and today's topic is modes of communication. So children, first all of you know that what is communication? Tell me fast. Yes.
Communication is a process by which two or more people exchange ideas, informations, thoughts and telling. Okay children?
Children, there are two means of communication: personal communication and mass communication. So, first one is our personal communication. Children, personal communication means sharing information on an individual basis. Next, talking and writing are two most popular modes of communication. Children, we can talk to our friends and relatives through telephone. It is the fastest means of the communication. In modern times, with the help of landline phones, we can communicate from our homes, while with cellular or mobile phones. Children, we can communicate even while traveling. See the picture.
Children, we can also send messages or SMS from our mobile phones.
Children, we use a service called the STD, means subscriber trunk dialing, to call up people living in different states in India. Children, we use the ISD, means international subscriber dialing service, to speak to someone in another country. Okay? Children, do you know we need the area code if we have to call someone in another city or country? Now, next, messages can be sent instantly by fax also. A fax is used to send text and picture through telephone lines. Now, writing letters in the most important means of written communication. Okay, and we can also communicate through electronic mails or emails. You can see the picture, mails. Children, do you know what is mudra? Yes, see the picture, this is mudra. Gestures and hand movements can also act the means of communication. In Indian classical dances, mudras are used to communicate feelings and emotions. Okay, children? Now, children, our next topic is mass communication. So, children, when we communicate with the large number of people at the same time is called mass communication. There are many modes of mass communication, you can see. Children, the radio and the televisions are the most popular means of mass communication. Newspapers and magazines are also means of mass communication. And children, movies to help in mass communication. Some movies also carry important messages while entertaining us at the same time. Okay, children? So, children, next class I will discuss with you mailing a letter. Till then, thank you.